Welcome to College Algebra. Our topic for today is graphing inequalities. I'm going to solve a couple of problems. The first problem that we have here is a graph y less than 2x to the second power minus 3. Alright, the first step, graph the boundary. That's the first step, graph the boundary. All right, so which is the parabola. This is like a parabola, y less than 2x to the second power minus 3x. So then let's make the graph right here. So very easy. So do the graph. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Maybe smaller. So here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is x. All right. Just mark the. I will not do the whole process to find the graph. You know how to find the graph. So the graph is ready. So the graph is ready right here. So let me mark all points of the graph of this inequality. So the first point is right here, -3. And then we have another point on the graph right here is 1, -1 and -1. It's a +1 and -1 right here. Our graph. On the other one, we have on the 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here, we have another point in the graph right here. So it's 3. 1, 2. Let's see, it's 2 open. 2. Yeah, 2 is 2. We have and then the graph is over here. I need to make a little square right here. This for the space for the graph, because I color in the graph. So graph is running right here. So one point here, another point right here. Okay, so this is one, it's another point right here, and then the graph continue here until here. All right. So that's the first step. Next step, select any point not on the parabola. So like select any point not on the parabola. So in this, let's select 0, 0, right? Let's do 0, 0. And then let's see if this point is satisfy the parabola or not satisfy the parabola. We have, for instance, right, y less than 2x to the second power minus 3. So substitute here with that point, just this point, 0 less than 2 times 0 is 0 minus 3. So 0 minus 2 times 0 is 0 minus 3. So 0 less than negative 3. This is true or not true? This is not true. So this is not satisfy the parabola, this point. See? Since this point, look at this, I just write it, that's 0, 0, not the parabola. Okay, not satisfy the parabola. So then the original inequality, this one, the original inequality, side the portion, we color in the portion of the graph below, or this graph, the parabola, which does not include 0, 0. So just shade it, shade a space, or say a parabola like this, 0, 0 does not include let's parabola area not include 0, 0. So 0, 0 is right here. See, 0, 0. So then we have to color in all area does not include 0, 0. So in this case, we have all this area, all this space right here. We have to color in this, shade this area. All this area. This is the way to the graph of our inequality. Okay, all outside area. Okay, all outside area, all this area does not include 0, 0, right? Okay, got it? So this is the solution, okay? So it's graphing inequalities. This is the graph, okay? Let's erase it. Let me show you another example. It's very easy, very simple problem. Once you know how solve these inequalities. So the next one, let me graph. Let's do 16. Let's see, 16x to the second power plus y to the second power less or equals than 60. Okay, so now this we have to divide by 16. Yeah, divide through by 16 gives us the equation or the boundary. So divided first point by 16. You divide by 16, you will have all this inequality. You divide by 16, you will have x to the second power plus y to the second power divided by 16 equals 1. Equals 1, right? 1, not 16, equals 1, all right? So now this equation, okay, this equation represents an ellipse. So this is an ellipse. Represent an ellipse. Yeah, so this equation represents an ellipse. This is one thing. So having the y-intercept, let's write it x-intercept. So the x-intercept is equals x equals 1, right? And x equals -1. -1. Right? So also we have y-intercept. Y-intercept. So this equation has y-intercept is equals y equals 4, yeah, y equals 4 and y equals -4, and y equals -4. So we need these functions. The graph, so the graph also includes the interior of ellipse, includes the interior of the ellipse, and the points. So for see that, we need to make the graph. So I will to make the graph right here with all that information. It's our object for today. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is y. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let's mark the points. So 1 point that we have it here, 1 point is right here. So and the other point is right here, right, with the information. And the other point is -4, right? So right here, -4, right here is the other point. And the other one is a +4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. So that's the ellipse. So the graph includes all these points interior of F ellipse. So let's select here to see which area we have to color in or shade it. The area we shade it, which area we have to shade it. Like that. So let's talk. Let's select 0.0 here, 0,0 point, and then use it for prove our problem right here. In this check the 0,0 satisfies our graph. So we have in the here x to the second power plus y to the second power divided by 16 equals 1. So suppose this is for the question we have to represent to find the boundaries on our problem. Well, at least just the main graph 16, the main equation, inequality x to the second, to check if it's right or not right. So we have 16 times 0 to the second power plus 0 to the second power less or equals than 16. Let's see. So this is 0 right here plus 0 less or equals than 16. How looks that inequality? So inequality looks that is fine. So this means the 0,0 right here includes satisfied our inequality. Therefore, we have to color it, or shaded this area. This one. Not outside, it's inside. It's inside. Satisfied. If not satisfied, just for instance, suppose the answer here should be not true. So the coloring is the area when it is not true. When not, this point not satisfies. Whatever point you select. I used to take on very often 0,0. Then I see easy for me. I see that this point is included, so satisfy our inequality. Therefore, this is the way to graph or our inequality. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much. I'm waiting for you.